Let me break down what I'm expecting gold USD to do this week. Gold USD on the daily chart see have a uptrend structure. So long we have a uptrend structure on the gold USD on the daily chart, we expect price to see continue to push higher. But what we expect on the daily chart, we expect price to come to this support zone before we can look for possible buying opportunity for gold USD, or we expect price to come to this next support level for us to buy for gold USD. So let's look at the monthly chart of the gold USD. On my monthly chart, you can see that we still have a series of higher low. We have a lower low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So now we have this series of higher low. We expect gold USD to continue to push higher. So let's look at the weekly chart of the gold USD. On my weekly chart, gold USD still remain bullish on the weekly chart. So on the weekly chart, we expect price to move to this zone, to this our weekly support zone, which is the previous resistance that turned to support. So we expect price to move to this zone before we can look for possible buying opportunity for the gold USD. So let's look at the weekly extension. Let's use our Fibonacci extension on the weekly chart to know where we expect price to reach on the weekly chart. On my weekly chart with my Fibonacci extension, I'm still expecting gold. So we are still expecting gold to move to this next level on the weekly chart. We see expecting price to move to 3,092 for gold USD. We see expect price to move to this 3,192 on the gold USD. So let's go to the daily chart. Let's look at our Fibonacci expansion on the daily chart, where we expect price to move to on the gold USD. So on our daily chart on the gold USD, for my expansion, we are still expecting gold to move to that same area of level, which is we are setting price to move to 3,192, which is the same area we also see on the weekly chart. So we are expecting gold to do a retest of this zone or this zone for us to look for possible buying opportunity to this next resistance zone on the gold USD or this level on the gold USD. So look out for possible retracement on this resistance level or the weekly resistance level for us to continue to buy the gold USD. If you find this analysis helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.